Hello my friend, how are you? I hope you and your family are doing really well today and keeping cozy and healthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I have already did my base and my lips and my eyes. So if there's anything that I don't mention, it will be in the description box with affiliated links if it's applied. And if you use it, thank you so much, but at the same time, you don't have to use it if you don't want to. But it's very appreciated and it would help me a lot. Okay, so today I will be using two palettes, and this first one is the Violet Walls Cool Vibes. And this one, I've been using it a few times, and so far I don't really like the shimmers. I think it's just like a standard satin, but still trying to play around with it. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert some Christmas music because this is like my last video for the vlogmas series, and I want to insert some of my favorite Christmas music, so I'll let that start right now. Okay, my friend, so I will continue on finishing up what I did for my eyes. I was trying to do like a semi-cut crease, and at the moment I would need to go now, so sorry that this video kind of came out a little short, but I hope that you enjoyed the eye tutorial. I think it came out really decent. It's just have to do a little bit more blending here, but I will get going now, and I just thank you for all of your support for my vlogmas videos, and may God bless always, and I hope to do it again real soon for the next time, and hopefully it's not that late. So thank you again for all of your patience, and I love you very much. May God bless always, and I hope to see you next time on my regular content videos real soon.